Have you ever wondered why your heart feels heavy, even when your body is at rest? It is not the muscles that are tired, dear one. It is the soul, weighed down by unseen burdens. And unless you learn the sacred art of release, these invisible chains will keep you from tasting the freedom of spirit. The silent weight we carry. So often, we imagine that fatigue comes only from physical labor. Yet the greater exhaustion comes from the restless accumulation of thoughts and emotions that do not belong to us. Every worry about the future, every memory of the past, every comparison with another, each shadow of doubt, we gather these like dust upon the heart. Day after day, the mind grows clouded, the emotions become restless, and our joy diminishes until we no longer feel the radiance of life. This invisible baggage is heavier than any stone. It presses upon the spirit, dulling the brilliance of soul and robbing us of the divine peace that is our true inheritance. The breath of release. Practical techniques. But take heart, for the soul has within it the key to freedom. God has hidden renewal in the very act of breathing. When you inhale, imagine you are drawing the life force of infinity, the pure, sparkling energy of spirit, washing every cell with light. And when you exhale, do not merely let go of air. Consciously expel every trace of restlessness, every drop of fear, every shadow of heaviness. See them dissolve like dark smoke vanishing into the endless sky. To deepen this practice, affirm silently with each breath, I release all darkness. I welcome all light. I release all bondage. I claim my freedom in God. The more you breathe with awareness, the more you will feel an invisible cleansing, a true spiritual detoxification that lightens the soul, cultivating your inner sanctuary. Yet remember, beloved, cleansing is only the first step. After washing away the dust of the world, you must also guard your sacred sanctuary. This is done not by isolation, but by conscious living. Choose thoughts that uplift, words that heal, actions that radiate kindness. Protect your inner temple from the constant invasion of noise, whether from restless speech, ceaseless comparison, or the endless clamor of outer life. Build small rituals of silence each day, moments where you close your eyes, breathe deeply, and calm you with the divine presence within. This stillness will become a shield, a fortress of peace around your soul. And from that sanctuary, you will live not as a victim of the world's turbulence, but as a master of your own inner kingdom, your renewed spiritual journey. Imagine now walking through life with a lightness you may not have felt in years. The heart unburdened, the mind clear, the spirit vibrant. This is not imagination. It is a natural state of your soul once the burdens are released. Spiritual detox is not a one-time act, but a path of transformation. Each breath, each thought, each conscious choice becomes a step toward freedom. And as you continue, you will discover a joy unshaken by circumstances, a peace untouched by storms, a bliss that wells within and flows outward to bless all whom you meet. This, dear one, is your destiny, to walk as a radiant child of God, free, luminous, and eternally alive in spirit. Beloved soul, if this message has touched your heart, share with others so that they too may walk in light. Subscribe to this channel, and let us journey together into deeper truth, deeper peace, and deeper union with the divine.